This afternoon, we're heading to Mapanuepe Lake in Zambales to settle in early and get ready before a big day tomorrow.
Grabe. Lalo bukas na tayo bumiyahe, no? Ganun lang din. Jake, nasa ano na eh, mga makakapal pa tayo.
Unahan pa tayo ni Jake.
Hindi na naman natin malalaman yung tsura ng campsite sa umaga. Bukas sa umaga, ang ganda pala rito. The guys are switching on their outside lights because it's dark and for the Porma.
Yeah, look, the inside looks so clean.
Ang ganda underglow. Nice. Alright, on to Mapanuepe.
It's a big jump coming up. Yo, amigas ka pa. Welcome pa ako. See? Sasaya siya ngayon.
Alikabok ba?
Yo, copy. Yeah, team, labas kayo. Medyo choppy, Jake, but I can see it on the left.
We are in the middle of nowhere, Mapanuepe Lake, pero the lake is medyo malayo sa atin. Long weekend, dun by the lake, daming tao, so dito muna kami pumesto. So overnight lang talaga because yun nga, we just want to give Tony G an experience. Laking tulong talaga when you have your crew with you. Now they're setting up the kitchen. I'm sort of like setting up the lounge, or wala tayong lounge actually kasi yung setup na to for tomorrow is kitchen centric. So ngayon pinapailawan ko lang lahat para makita natin mga kabagay-bagay, and then if you've noticed, wala talagang kahangin-hangin. Pero kung meron kang fan, I'm gonna say this, that you can get this at Overland Kings because he's here beside me. I was just gonna say na yun, kailangan may importante, may hangin. Pero nagsa-start pa lang tayo sa speaking of ventilation. Mamaya ko na pakita sa inyo kasi since tomorrow is a very important day, so gusto ko talaga meron akong beauty sleep. So, pakita ko sa inyo bakit. Basta. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wala lang, warm up lang. No need to ano pa masyado.
Yeah, okay.
We're just setting the scene.
Yeah. Later when I'm chut. Wala nga no? Actually,
Naiinitan ka pa.
oh.
Kasi ibang-iba, yung last time puro super hinahangin tayo, ngayon walang-wala.
Pero ganun rin. Hindi yan guys sobrang dali yung on ka kagad. Ngayon actually, to be quite honest, nahihiya pa ako. Tsaka guys totoo, real talk lang, nako-conscious pa ako kung tama yung sinasabi ko, okay ba to. Alam mo yun, nakaka-pressure rin kasi nanonood kayong lahat and ayaw mo rin magkamali, especially bukas. Ayaw talaga natin magkamali bukas. Patay, nahaba pa naman ng biyahe niya. Tapos wag na natin isipin yan. Sige, tama nga si Aaron, buwelo muna. So ang dahilan na bakit ko siya punesto dito is because water, if I may be a little bit of konting pa-wisdom lang, water signifies flow, fluidity, hence my chemistry. Light signifies, maliban sa hope, sincerity. When there's sincerity in what you do, there's flow.
Hi Kim.
We have nothing but chairs, and citronella.
And well, the Starlink again.
The sound of Starlink.
The sound of success.
Pwede ako naglabas na ng orange sa tela. Yari ka, Jay.
Opo, tingnan mo may pa-fabric-fabric. Ito sa'yo na wala asawa niya dito ah.
May orange fabric.
Oh, Marvin, opo!
Sa table!
Marvin Tan, ikaw ba yan?
Grabe, well-trained na.
Oh my God!
Very
pa-access.
bag.
Kitty yan eh. Alam mo, Aaron, let's go home.
Yeah, let's go home.
Okay na. Uwi na ako. Napansin nyo, every time I camp, yung gising ni Joel parang ang sarap. Habang tayo parang, siya parang gumising lang siya from his room. Because of, you know, that thing I bought the other day na hindi pa alam ni Camille. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out later. Let's see.
Exciting.
Basically aircon.
Alam mo ito, hindi ito pang fire.
In fairness, masaya pumasok.
That's right. Smoke them out.
Luluto tayo ng pork steak para sa dinner natin ngayong gabi. Yan yung pinaprepare natin.
It's not perfect yet, but it's shaping up. And this time parang gusto ko mag-relax ng konti. Kasi I know tomorrow it's gonna be full on. And then so sila Kim and Neri bumay-buelo na. And si tatlo, no? Carolyn, ayan, Jake is arriving, our director. Basically, si Jake is a Overland Kings family. He's also the director for the show of Tony Gonzaga, Tony Talks. And then si Carolyn, wife of Joel, is also arriving. She's driving. So, she's driving a big car. Astig. No? Yeah.
Rolling!
Yes!
Pang eye candy ba to?
Hello, Direct.
Right.
Hello.
Welcome to our camp. Bukas, siya na yung boss. Siya na yung boss. Hindi na ikaw, Aaron. Bukas, we follow
Where
him.
will Rhea sleep?
This will be weird. Kasi normally, diba?
Oh,
Normally,
show natin.
Show natin. Ngayon, it's tomorrow.
Literally their show.
It's their show. So, kan lang tayo. Ano, Direk? Ano po, Direk? Yeah, opo.
Dudungaw lang ako parang dungaw-dungaw lang ako sa off-cam.
May dalang makeup crew yan.
Oh, may glam team?
Oh, kaya
Yeah,
din si
I have a
Gabi.
steamer.
Oh.
Para hindi gusto. I mean, Tony Talks, man. Come on.
Hey, I got you guys some food.
Thank you.
Oh, wow,
So
look
this
at
is
that.
some toasted chapal, some Starbucks, some
We're in the middle of
palabok.
Oh, wow,
nowhere.
wow.
It's like home.
Yes.
Bless. Hey, Lord, dear Lord, sana bukas hindi ako mabulol. I'll be myself. Yun lang.
Sa producer.
Kasi nangingibago ako kasi, ano, normally si Jake medyo reserved yan eh. Ayun, tingnan mo. Hindi, alam niya kasi bukas. Work mode siya eh.
Nahihiya si Chef Neri, pero Chef Neri actually yung tumira, yung nagluto. We have pork steak. Yeah, with lots of fried garlic. So, the usual, the good meat. TGM.
And I pray for our thing tomorrow that everything goes smoothly. Thank you for the food that's prepared. Chef Neri, Chef Kim, Chef JP, and everybody's here for the good fellowship and good friendship that you've given us. So, bless us tonight and keep us safe. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
All right. So, what do we have? Kim, Neri. Oh.
Plain rice.
Plain rice.
First food in the camp.
Yeah.
Pork steak.
Oh.
Lots of
One
garlic.
pot wonder.
So, ito yung station. Rice, pork, yun lang yun.
Simple lang.
Simple lang. Kung gusto nyo nang lagyan ng chili garlic.
Yes.
Can I
Yun.
also bring our nuggets there?
Yeah.
Offering table and palabok.
Oo.
Oh, beautiful.
Perfect. Okay, go for it,
Tinignan ko
guys.
ba yun?
Tomorrow morning, I have to wake up earlier than usual, and the plan is to just give it your all. Yun lang. Pero I think first we have breakfast. No, I think we have to set up.
Yeah.
We have to.
Kasi
I think.
maaga sila darating.
Yeah, maaga sila dadating. So kailangan maganda talaga yung landing nila. Ma-receive natin sila ng mabuti. Parang bukas talagang kwan tayo.
Yeah. Are they expecting to have breakfast pag landing?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I want them to be surprised.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sama ka ba sa Sundo crew?
No.
Set
Dito
up ka
ako.
dito.
Dito.
Oo nga pala.
Yeah, ako.
Wait.
First time.
Alright.
There's
Tingnan mo, daming kanin ni Mark.
sriracha with mayo. And there's
Nagbabawas sa kanin pero today yata gutom eh.
Pagod.
and it's yummy. The sriracha mayo you'll like.
It's cheaper than
It's
McDonald's.
$99 for 6. You know how it is.
Yeah, let's try it.
Nuggets can't go wrong.
First time.
Yeah. It's not hot anymore. But
Nuggies.
nuggies.
Sarap. Lahat masarap pag gutom eh, no?
So, nagdala si Chef na Sebastian's. Chef, sino si Sebastian?
He's the guy behind that. I met him.
Talaga?
Yeah, he's a nice guy. Oy, Sebastian, if you're watching, dude, sobrang sarap ng ice cream sandwich. I'm a silent fan. We've met once, and yeah, I love your ice cream.
Happy birthday sa'yo.
Okay na eh. Okay mo kasi nawala. Okay na eh.
Segue na naman eh.
Bakit mo kasi nawala? Miss na miss ka lang namin.
Wow. This is one of my favorite ice cream sandwich. Alam ko kay Jed favorite niya rin. There's 2 flavors. I don't know which is which. Pero yeah.
Go! Attack!
Matutunan na yan agad eh.
Different flavors yung sandwich.
Is it the same?
It looks the same.
I think it's the same.
Okay, it's the same.
Sabay niya isubo.
Thanks,
to find
Trev.
out.
Wow. Wow. I mean, I don't, tell people to eat stuff like this, but it's so good. It's so good. Yes. Ay, wow.
Love na love talaga ni Ria si Jake. Kung siyang ice cream,
So
sila
si
pwede kayo.
Rhea, yung sinasabi namin isa rin masarap. Which pupuntahan natin yan when they open. Kasi parang medyo labor of love eh. Medyo matagal mag-open. Pero kung si Caroline pa nga, all in. Tama ba yung grammar ko?
Yeah.
Bakit kayo tumatawa?
No, because
Mahaba yung intro ko? Matagal matapos. Matagal talaga.
Yung lead time ng order mga 6 months.
Actually,
6 months na. Not a pile out of place.
So they're opening an basta Bubu ice cream parlor, or did I say it right? Ice cream shop in BGC. It's just vegan. It's really good. It's just taking a while. So yun. Uy, bilis yung ice cream.
Wait, nasa tabi na sunog yung ice cream. Nang-apoy yung ice cream.
Wala tayong
Let's have breakfast.
Yeah.
And then, kailangan tayo maghilamos. Papogi ng konti. She's 30 minutes out.
Alright.
So maganda pag dating niya may konting welcome na pagkain. Kahit na nakakain na siya. At least, diba? Diba as a host, gusto mong maging maayos. Kaya magligpit-ligpit muna tayo. And what's nice about our team is parang clockwork na. Everyone knows parang it's just moving. Like sila Neri, Kim, constantly moving. Bomber J, Jake, moving. Aaron, moving. Aaron, basa pa yung buko. Kakagising, naligo na. Can I show you why I slept so well? So, I feel like I'm Joel.
So, yeah,
Anyway. Well, I got this, but pang privacy awning. Shower, you wanna change, especially later, you do. Alright, you might wanna have to go up a little bit, if you can. But you'll see why.
There it is. Oh, it fits perfectly in there.
Yeah. Mas maganda siya pag sa ground. Ground tent setup. Or meron kang parang pwede mo siya ipatong somewhere and then para mailabas mo the whole thing and then if ito lang yung ipasok mo. Well, this is the exhaust. Meron rin yung buga.
Buga, okay.
Yeah, so sarap. Mamaya pag medyo mainit-init na, baka pwede to maging holding area. Pinatay ko muna para I can save the battery.
Right. So ito battery niya is built in, no?
Yeah.
Oh
yeah.
wow.
But you can also plug it in.
Oh.
Oh, so
okay.
if you want to bring a power supply, plug it in.
Okay. And how long does this battery last?
Okay, good question. The higher the degrees, the longer. If you want it really, really cold, mga 3 to 4 hours lang. Pero yung ginawa ko parang kung sa Celsius pa, ginawa ko siyang parang 22, 23.
Oh.
Para lang I can stretch the battery.
Right.
There we go. Hindi pa ako naligo. Teka lang. There.
There you go.
Dahil wala yung asawa ko dito, the girls in camp are helping me. And normally, wala naman tayong pag ganito. Kaso lang, syempre, this is big, right? I mean, kailangan on set ready. So you don't see this every day in camp, right?
I think the sleeve on this side is not
On
good.
the other side, right? Yeah, the back
I
side.
think it's fine.
Okay, last.
Oh, sige.
But-
Pag babae pa talaga.
Iba talaga.
Pag lalaki, pwede na yan.
Oh, better.
Yeah.
Branded pa, branded.
Oh, diba? Saan ka pa? Overhand
Oh, you know,
kings.
kuya. Overland kings.
Wala lang. When you stickerify
everything.
when you stickerify certain things, it just makes it cooler.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I hear it.
So part 2 ng ating preparation for this big day is hinila ko si Gabby to make me look a little bit better. Dahil man akong parang okay na.
Yeah.
Wala akong salamin eh. Ikaw na yung salamin ko.
Okay.
Kung nakatingin, ano nga mga linya ni Tito Boy?
Kung nakatingin ka sa salamin, anong gusto mo sabihin sa sarili mo?
Tito Boy, ang gusto ko. Hindi. Teka lang, si Tito Boy yan eh.
Yeah.
So ako, Tito Boy, ang gusto kong sabihin na pareho tayong kalbo.
Oh my gosh.
Nag-Tito Boy ako before. Grabe, sobrang kaba ako. Uminom ako. Lahat ginawa ko para mawala yung kaba ko.
Was he intimidating?
No,
Nice
not at
naman.
all.
Nice.
Grabe, ganon siya kagaling. He broke the ice right away. And you know what? Off cam, he engaged me already.
Wow.
So I was like this, sitting. I was so shy. And then, power suit, power shoes, and ganun siya. Then he goes, gumanon siya sa, parang,
Yeah, right.
hindi naman power move, pero he kind of
asked, like, to be noticed.
he went inside my personal space. Not
right.
invaded, but went inside. So, chef. Ganun. Tapos may personal questions yung tinanong.
Right.
Na medyo na thrown off ako.
Yeah.
So that kind of broke the ice.
That's good. Okay.
Hindi. Una niyang tanong. So, chef, do you have a girlfriend?
What was this? How long was this?
Oof. I had sideburns pa na Craig David, so medyo...
Oh my god.
Oh.
This was MasterChef days.
Yeah. Like 15 or
Are
so
you
years.
excited for it today?
I don't know what I'm feeling. Tara, let's... I need to get ready. Gising na si Pedro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you look up? Okay, that's it.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Game time. Hindi na daw kanila tatawagin Gerard. Jed.
Our friend Jograd.
I'm nervous, of course. Yeah, I know. I can do this. But, syempre.
Pitik-pitik na kayo, chef. Kaya na.
Oo. Morning. This is bread we got from... There you go. And then...
From where? Sorry, you got last night?
From the deli na sinabi nyo. This is a coriander chili garlic. Ito, tabi mo na. This is bacon. And sausage. Wow. And then queso di bola. Scrambled eggs.
Wow.
Ito. Mas tostado.
Thank you.
Alright, enjoy. Una naming customer, buena mano. And then I'll give you some of the salsa.
Oh, I like that.
Coriander salsa over your eggs.
Yeah.
Alright, you're in business. We need to set her up. Sorry. I'm just going to...
Tanggalin mo na lang ito, Dra.
Stop it. Stop it na lang, o itong Dra.
Hey! Hi! Kamusta?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Good.
Good
Dito kayo
morning.
natulog?
Dito.
Wow. So, lagi niyo ginagawa to?
Medyo. So, ito yung...
Every week, ganun?
Hindi.
Na regular?
Yung medyo 4 times a year, 6 times a year. Hindi kasi I'm based in Dubai. So ito yung kitchen namin. We're having breakfast right now. Hindi ito normal na camp kasi para siyang hotel.
Oo nga, social nga eh.
Nagdadala kami ng chef.
Grabe.
That's Chef Kim, Chef Neri. Urong ko lang itong upuan kasi mga boss, sagad yan eh. Yan o.
Sagad tapos naka-full recline.
Pangarap ko lang ito makasakay ng ganito ngayon. Natutupad. Hindi, totoo. At saka, actually, nasa bucket list ko na may interview ako ni Tony Gonzaga. I mean, syempre, di ba? Parang isang bigating tao mag-i-interview sa'yo. Tapos isang bigating tao nagda-drive sa'yo. Tapos isang bigating director nagfi-film sa'yo. Naku!
Overweight na yata tayo, bigati. Talagang bigati na yung lineup natin ngayon.
Because I am here.
Oh. Buti lang, maganda yung suspension.
Wow!
No, see, that's a malicious mind.
Oh, tuklopin ko yung sticker mo.
Hindi, yung analogy dyan, mga bigating tao, syempre yung foundation kailangan matibay. Paano mo, nalala ko before, pupunta akong ABS. Yun, mga ganitong kotse, lalabas sila. Minsan, lahat sila di chopper. Tapos ako naka-Subaru naman ako, okay na, pwede na. Pero ako, buhat ko lahat. Example, dadaan si Judian Santos, yung entourage, 4, stylist, makeup artist, PA, tapos may dalang suitcase, hanger, Chef JP. Ako nagdadala lahat. Hanger, suitcase. Anyway, ngayon, wow, may driver na ako. Wala.
Ikaw pa rin nagbibitbit ng suitcase mo.
Ikaw pa rin nagbibitbit ng suitcase.
Jason, yung mga damit ko.
Wala naman siya binigay sa akin.
Alam mo, sinabi may change costume ka, boss.
Sinabi.
It's hard to find good help these days.
It's time to head to phase 1, where it's more scenic to shoot the interview.
There's a town underneath that.
Oh, geez.
Jay, pag tinawid ko, lumubog ko, nakakatawa, no?
Medyo. Pipicture ako lang naman eh.
Nakakahiya.
At this point, hindi na nakakahiya yun. Sasabihin mo, naglaro kami.
Na-pressure ako ng konti. Kasi this is like a full set. And then, maliban na yung driver natin ay... Well, kaibigan ko siya at least. That helps. Pero imagine kung hindi ko siya kaibigan, tapos siya nag-drive sa akin. And then, ito pa. Ito, ibang level to. Tara, let's do our thing. Lalabas na tayo.
Yes, sir.
Nandun na si Ma'am. Labas na.
I'll bring down my chair.
Thank you.
Very South Africa
Yan.
levels.
Green, brown.
Alright, time to start the show.
Ano na siya? Siya talaga nagsabi sa akin, I need to talk to him. Alam mo yung pag sa gabi, tapos nanonood ng TV, pag papasok ang kwarto, nakikita kita. Kasi nag-ano ka yun sa mga sa plane. Mahilig siyang manood ng gano'n.
Mahilig siya? Aviation?
Yes, aviation. Gusto niya makita yung pagkain. Gusto niya makita yung mga airlines. Like kahapon na pinapanood niya yung Oman.
Holy shit, tumatay yung flavor ko.
Bakit?
Hindi ako makakaniwala. Kasi ginagawa ko yan for, wala lang, trip ko lang. Pero hindi ako
May
makakaniwala.
audience sila, di ba?
So, sabi ko one day, someday, I'll work hard and then ma-combine ko yung mga hilig ko. Parang gano'n.
Oh, di ba? Yun talaga yung power of one day, someday.
Yan. At saka,
that you say.
Tama.
Yun talaga papunta eh.
And then may isang producer, ito si Hannah. Sabi niya, nung bumalik siyang Manila, sinabi niya kay Direk Lauren, hey, Direk, I found someone cool. Ganun daw.
To watch the rest of the interview, head over to Tony's channel after watching this.
For me, yeah. For me. There are others that, sorry yung kaibigan ko tulog.
Buti naka-shade siya. Hindi natin malalaman na tulog siya.
Anyway, yeah, I guess.
Yes, si Chef JP. Gising na. Gising na ang ating compadre. Nakabutan niya ang half part ng interview. May tribute pa naman sa'yo.
Oo, ang ganda ko pa. Ang ganda nung
Ang ganda ng tribute namin sa'yo, pero kaganda.
Oo. Iniba na namin yung kwento.
May clip lang ako, nadali pa.
Pero bilib ako sa'yo ah. Siya lang kilala ko nakaka-idlip sa tirik na araw.
Jake, sa harap ng set.
Talent yun ah.
Oh my God.
Talent yun ah.
For the one for the books, tinulugan yung Tony Gonzaga na shoot.
Bro, ano ko kinata, nakasings ako eh.
I-upload naman daw eh.
Alam mo, mag-gauge na sanay siya sa camping.
Tinulugan tayo. Tingnan mo, dami tao.
Pero bumabawi.
Nakanganga.
Kunwari umbrella man.
Kunwari lang.
Kunwari lang. For the camp to, for the camp.
Ano lang, pang B-roll. Pang icebreaker talaga natin. Kaya na tayo ba?
Yan.
Uy, magluluto na tayo.
Luto na tayo.
Ano tayo?
Magla-lunch na.
You thought you was slick.
Ay, naku, kala ko safe ako dun.
Parang school lang yun. Importante, present.
Presence na lang.
Present na lang.
Attendance.
What
Alam mo na sa sa class, no?
In-attendance ka lang.
1, 2, 3. Alright.
Thank you.
Kain na tayo.
Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Alright, balik. Kain tayo.
Na, magluluto ka na.
Oo, barbecue tayo. Barbecue.
Laki ng pating nadalin mo. Tulog minsan. Kailan mo nakatulog, Shakit? Si JP naman lagi yung tulog.
Yung nag-iisang beses na hindi ikaw yung talent.
Ang biraw. Meron nakakatawa naman kasi talaga. Pero nung nakatulog talaga ako, nakangangop. Humilig ba ako?
Hindi naman. Medyo kung humilig ka, gigising ka namin ni Aaron. Pero well documented naman.
After the interview, it was back to camp to shoot in our own camp kitchen.
You can have her jump around naman, Chef, like if you want her to grill, parang gano'n. Medyo free flow.
Okay.
Sige. Free flow, activity, free flow, talking, conversation.
Tara.
Nakapanlaban na ako para pwede nang
Luto
gawin
tayo.
siyang lahat. Nag-white ako para fresh.
Ito yung ating kitchen. Meron tayong barbecue. Skewers tayo. Skewer party tayo.
Diretso na ang mga kainitan. Hindi, ano ba lasa ng puwet?
Masarap.
Hindi
Parang chicken.
talaga?
Parang may pop. Fat.
Kasi fat yun.
Masarap.
Okay.
Masarap. So si Chef Kim, siya yung chef namin sa Sarsa. Then dalawang
Kung
basting.
sinong chef doon ngayon, nandito ka. Hindi, ang ganda nito. Grabe, ba't hindi na-invento to, no? Yung mga panahon na mga nagsushooting kami sa talagang 40 degrees outside. Alam mo, parang mas convenient mag-camping ngayon, no?
The reason why pinaupo kita dito is because minsan, sa sobrang mong nakababad sa luto, hindi mo na na-enjoy yung camp. So, yun yung nangyayari sa akin before.
Masyado kang into,
Oo.
Hindi ka naman magpapaeya sa camping.
Nagpaelya kami last time.
Hindi nga, sa camping nagpapaeya.
Paelya kami last. Dinuguan paelya, may lechon.
Talaga?
Birthday ko.
Pwede pala yun.
So ito, nag-start lang talaga to sa laro-laro. Like, yun nga, like nag-meet kami ni Joel, and then nagluto kami. Straight up, pork belly lang yan. Sobrang sarap ng pork from the good meat, and then salt, pepper lang. Ito yung ating chicken thigh. Chicken thigh, and then isol. Isol yung ating puwet. Tofu, papatikim ko na sa'yo.
Buti na lang, hindi ako nag-vlog. Hindi mo malalamang tofu.
So yun. So, after
Sabay-sabay na yung plate.
Pasarap yung sauce.
Oo.
Hindi tayo kumain, chef. Pinagandaan ko to.
Okay. Patungan natin ng
Kahit yung
biscuit.
breakfast mo, hindi ko masyadong... Dahil nanamnamin, sabi ko nanamnamin ko yung lunch.
Yeah. Tapos bigyan kita ng pork
Ano
since
yun?
favorito mo.
Yes!
Tanong ng lahat and tanong ko rin.
Ah, wow, talagang chef, may mga ganyan ka pa ha. Tanong ng lahat.
Teka lang.
Ano ba yung lahat?
Teka lang, gagano muna ako.
Bakit tanong ng lahat?
Ano
Ito
yan?
boy, ikaw na ba yan?
So, Tony.
Tanong ng lahat.
Hindi, I guess, in all the years mo sa industriya, and sa experience mo, and sa mga pinagdaanan mo, I guess yung pinaka-tanong ko talaga ay, sino yung pinaka-paborito mong leading man?
Dati, nung bata ako nasasagot ko, magbibigay ako ng one answer. But now, at this stage of my life, lahat. Kasi iba-ibang phase ng buhay tayo. Iba-ibang era.
Ito, real talk ikaw yung...
So, fake talk yung kanina. Ito, ngayon na tayo magre-real.
Hindi, kumbaga hindi kita binobola. Promise. Yung sasabihin ko, hindi kita binobola.
Okay.
Para sa akin, ikaw yung isa sa pinakamagaling na host and interviewer sa Pilipinas. Promise. Kaya hindi ako masyadong nanonood ng PBB, pero dahil na the way you talk, parang galing, no? And the way you interview, then, ayun, talsik.
Sorry.
No worries.
Buti na lang nasa camping tayo. Wala tayo sa fine dining.
Pag sa trabaho yan.
Pag sa fine dining, namuha na ako.
Oo. Hurry! Come on!
Go!
Ladies first.
Ang sarap ng pork.
Ganda, no? Makulay.
Ang sarap ng pork. Girls daw, Mikey. Wow! Thank you so much.
Ito si Carolyn, yung super mom, yung 5 girls.
Thank you.
Nasi lemak kaya no?
Oo, nasi lemak.
Ay, grabe naman yan. My gosh naman.
Sabi kasi...
Talaga naman.
Sabi kasi mahilig ka sa matamis.
At talaga hindi na matatawaran ang mga dessert ni Chef.
So, ito ay banana bread. Tapos ito, butter pecan.
Uy!
So, ginawa nating...
Tinaterpikan tayo ni Chef.
So, i-slice ko para hindi mahirap kayo. Ito siya.
Alam mo, ganito kumain. Ganito kumain ng banana bread si Paul, may ice cream.
Paul, halika na!
Gagalit talaga yun. I know, I wanna join that.
So, okay. So, that was it. Diba, sabi ko, pinaghandaan talaga natin to. And it paid off. And ang bait-bait pala niya. Mabait ka naman talaga. Pero, syempre, diba, yung kinento ko sa inyo kanina. Pero, baliktad. And tingnan mo, we're talking like normal people. Which, yun nga sabi mo, lahat tayo may, diba, yung pain. Yung happiness. Basta,
we're all connected.
Yan.
In one way or another.
So yun. So thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, Chef JP.
Thank you. Sa ulitin.
Yes! With
Paul. And pili na tayo ng mas malamig.
Yes.
And mag-sunset tayo.
Pero maganda to, at least na break in na ako yung sa camping life.
Yung next mo, madali
ganito
na.
Ganito pala. Oo. At least na break in na. Yeah. Kasi yung last ko, Girl Scout camping pa yun. Grade school.
So
diba?
if you were to like sum up your experience, ano yung feeling mo ngayon? Maliban sa mainit
Maliban sa mainit, well, part na siya ng life natin dito sa Philippines. But overall, the experience pala ng camping, that's why people are in love with doing this. Kasi it's not just an escape, but it's also parang a breather. I can breathe. Kasi everything's just so open. Bukas lahat. Parang hindi ka kulong sa isang lugar lang.
And it's easier to connect. I noticed na
parang easier to connect. Yeah. Because yung energy ng nature, ng trees, kasi di ba you're surrounded by living things, yung mga trees, they're living things, so you get the energy, the vibe. Ikaw naman, you connect us through your food.
Thank you. So thank you so much. Thank you. Sa ulitin. Ay! Guys, panoorin nyo So kailan na to?
Panuorin nyo yung sa atin?
Oo.
Sa channel na?
Oo.
Panuorin nyo yung sa amin and then sana panuorin nyo din to.
Mag-usap na lang tayo, basta sabay tayo mag-upload.
Yes. Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys.
Chef JP.